Welcome to my YouTube channel, AutoMark. Today we're exploring one of the most sophisticated and capable unmanned aerial systems in the world, the RQ-4 Global Hawk, a high-altitude, long-endurance reconnaissance drone that has revolutionized intelligence gathering and surveillance operations. As we move through 2026, this remarkable aircraft continues to provide unprecedented persistent surveillance capabilities, operating at extreme altitudes for extended durations that no manned aircraft could match. The RQ-4 Global Hawk was developed by Northrop Grumman beginning in the mid-1990s as the United States military sought to create an unmanned platform capable of conducting strategic reconnaissance missions previously performed by the U-2 Dragon Lady spy plane. The goal was to create a system that could fly higher and longer than any manned aircraft while eliminating the risk to human pilots. The first Global Hawk prototype flew in February 1998, and after extensive testing and development, the aircraft entered operational service with the United States Air Force in 2001. What makes the Global Hawk truly exceptional is its combination of altitude capability, endurance, and sensor performance. The aircraft routinely operates at altitudes exceeding 60,000 feet, well above commercial air traffic and most weather phenomena. At this extreme altitude in the stratosphere, the thin air and unobstructed view provide ideal conditions for intelligence collection. The Global Hawk can remain airborne for more than 32 hours continuously, and with its range exceeding 12,000 nautical miles, a single aircraft can survey vast areas of the Earth's surface during one mission. The physical characteristics of the Global Hawk reflect its high-altitude mission. The aircraft has an enormous wingspan of 130.9 feet, actually wider than a Boeing 737 commercial airliner. This massive wingspan is essential for generating sufficient lift in the extremely thin air at 60,000 feet altitude. The fuselage is 47.6 feet long and designed with a streamlined shape to minimize drag. The aircraft is powered by a single Rolls-Royce F137 RR100 turbofan engine, producing approximately 7,600 pounds of thrust, mounted in a dorsal position above the fuselage to reduce infrared signature. The sensor payload is where the Global Hawk truly demonstrates its value. The aircraft carries an integrated sensor suite that typically includes synthetic aperture radar, electro-optical sensors, and infrared imaging systems. The synthetic aperture radar can create detailed images of ground targets regardless of weather conditions or time of day, penetrating clouds and operating in complete darkness. The electro-optical and infrared sensors provide extremely high-resolution imagery that analysts can use to identify vehicles, equipment, buildings, and even individual personnel from altitudes where the aircraft itself is virtually invisible from the ground. Different variants of the Global Hawk carry specialized sensor packages optimized for specific missions. The RQ-4B Block 30 features the enhanced integrated sensor suite designed for wide area surveillance and moving target indication. The Block 40 variant carries the multi-platform radar technology insertion suite optimized for maritime surveillance, making it particularly valuable for monitoring ocean areas and detecting ships. Some variants also include signals intelligence packages that can detect, locate, and analyze electronic emissions from radar systems, communications networks, and other sources. The level of autonomy in the Global Hawk is remarkable. The aircraft can execute its entire mission from takeoff through landing without direct human control. Ground-based operators program the flight plan and sensor collection schedules before the mission, and the Global Hawk's flight management system executes these plans with extreme precision. The aircraft navigates using GPS and inertial systems, automatically adjusts its flight path to optimize sensor collection, and can even make autonomous decisions about fuel management and route selection. Human operators monitor the mission from ground control stations and can intervene if necessary, but the Global Hawk is designed to operate independently. Now let's discuss the costs associated with the RQ-4 Global Hawk, because this capability comes with a substantial price tag. The unit flyaway cost of an RQ-4B Global Hawk is approximately $130 to $140 million per aircraft as of 2026. This includes only the air vehicle itself with its basic sensors and systems. However, operating a Global Hawk requires extensive ground infrastructure, including ground control stations, satellite communication terminals, mission planning systems, and maintenance facilities. When you include all the necessary support equipment and infrastructure, the total system cost for establishing an operational Global Hawk capability approaches $200 to $250 million. The operating cost per flight hour for operating a Global Hawk is estimated at approximately $24,000 to $32,000, depending on the specific variant and mission profile. While this might seem expensive, it's actually quite economical when you consider what you're getting. A manned reconnaissance aircraft performing similar missions would require multiple crew rotations, life support systems, and could not sustain 32-hour continuous missions. The Global Hawk provides persistent surveillance that would require multiple manned aircraft working in shifts to replicate, and it does so without risking pilot lives. The operational history of the Global Hawk demonstrates its value. The aircraft has been continuously deployed supporting military operations since 2001. Global Hawks have flown countless missions over Afghanistan, Iraq, and other regions where American forces operate, providing real-time intelligence that supports everything from strategic planning to time-sensitive targeting. The aircraft's ability to monitor large areas continuously has proven invaluable for tracking terrorist movements, monitoring border regions, and supporting ground forces engaged in combat operations. Beyond military operations, Global Hawks have also supported disaster response and humanitarian missions. After the devastating earthquake and tsunami in Japan in 2011, a Global Hawk flew missions over the damaged Fukushima nuclear facility, providing detailed imagery that helped authorities assess the damage and plan their response without risking manned aircraft in the radioactive environment. Global Hawks have monitored hurricanes, wildfires, and other natural disasters, providing continuous coverage that aids emergency response efforts. The international market for Global Hawks reflects their strategic value. NATO operates a fleet of RQ-4D Phoenix variants, configured for alliance-wide intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. These aircraft are based in Italy and support NATO operations across Europe, the Mediterranean, and beyond. Japan has acquired Global Hawks to monitor its extensive maritime territories and keep watch on regional military developments. South Korea operates Global Hawks primarily focused on monitoring North Korea. Australia has also acquired the system, recognizing its value for surveilling the vast ocean areas surrounding the continent. The technical challenges of operating at such extreme altitudes are significant. At 60,000 feet, the air pressure is less than 1/10 at sea level, and temperatures can drop to -70 degrees Fahrenheit. The aircraft's systems must function reliably in this harsh environment. The sensors must maintain precise alignment and focus despite temperature extremes and the stress of long-duration flights. The satellite communication links that transmit collected intelligence back to ground stations must maintain reliable connectivity across thousands of miles. Looking toward the future, the Global Hawk faces an uncertain path. The Air Force has at various times proposed retiring portions of the fleet to redirect funding towards other intelligence collection platforms, particularly satellites and newer unmanned systems. However, the Global Hawk's unique combination of persistence, flexibility, and sensor capability continues to prove valuable. Thank you for watching AutoMark, and subscribe for more defense technology content.